What's up, guys? Bobcat here. Back on the Ashland job, digging this foundation. So the first day here now, I'm all set up. Got it all marked out. Laid all the lines out. You see there's the offset stakes. But that's the cellar door, the Bilco door. Back of the house. It's a pretty big house for this small lot. There's like no backyard. Here's the garage here. 2-car garage. I gotta over dig it so the guys have room to work their forms in there. There it is over here. That's the house over here. It jogs in over here. Over there it jogs out for the fireplace. And then comes back in over here. And then over here, this is the front door stoop right there. This will be a full dig wall here and here. And then this front wall and this side wall, I won't be going all the way down. Because it's for the garage, just like 4 foot. So yeah, coming in here, the center of this I won't dig out because that's for the garage. But yeah, that's that. Look, that's what it looks like, all marked out. So I'm just coming in here. I just started now, just seeing what type of material we got. And everything. I still got to set up the laser. But I just wanted to make a quick video and set up. Yeah, I got all the trees were taken out. That's one more load that has to be taken out. There was a beautiful oak tree. I took all the oak. I couldn't believe they wanted to take it down. Look at the size of this oak tree. Freaking crazy. 1, 2, 3. It was definitely 36-inch diameter. I mean, the camera don't do it justice, but that's right above the notch they put in to cut it down. So that's the trunk, the butt of the tree. That's the biggest part. Yeah, that's like 36 inches right there. Got that chunk, this one, and that chunk left for the oak pieces. And then here's some more softwood in the front here. 3 logs left. Some softwood here. But they're gonna come take that. I took the whole oak tree except for these last 4 chunks. I filled up my whole yard. And the guy's coming for the last of the softwood. He'll just take these last chunks of this. I don't want to deal with it. I got plenty. But yeah, it was back here. Cause they originally, one of the videos I think I did, they took a whole bunch of trees from the front and all that, you guys seen, I think. But then the new owners, before we started digging here, as you see, they wanted all the trees down at the last minute. So tree guys came back in because they had to climb it and cut it down piece by piece, because these were all hanging over this fence onto the other property. It was crazy. But look at, here's the stump to this oak. This oak was growing with all these other softwoods. It was crazy. This was like a double stump. It had the oak, and then coming off of the same stump, it was crazy. There was a softwood that was right there. But this one here, this tree was the hardest one. This one here was leaning all the way, like at a crazy angle. But anyways, yeah, it's really barren here now, man. There's no shade. I would have left some trees up. That's just me, especially that oak. Oh, and I got a nice maple out of it too. So I got 2 nice hardwood trees. So I filled up my yard for firewood. So that works out. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, this was a nice oak. This was a nice what do they call that? Tiger maple. See the tiger? Those tiger stripes. Tiger maple, I think they call that. It looks like it was a little messed up in the center, but after the first couple feet, it was solid. But yeah, I got all that, so it worked out mint. All right, let's see what we got. Of course, we got the 190 here, running mint. Got the excavation bucket on. Took the thumb back off. Let's see what we got going on. All right. Here we go. Topsoil, so at the end of the job I can just spread it in the back of the house and a little in the front here, and then rake out the roots. It'll save on having to buy topsoil. That's the pile back there. good material, looks like, down here. Like I said, it's a pretty big house for this. It's just the minimum lot, the minimum you could have to have a lot, 8,000 square feet. From what you see here, that's 8,000 square feet. This was the backyard to this brown house. This was the backyard, but they had just enough room to be able to subdivide it and then sell this lot. I guess it was like 90,000, the guy said. To buy this lot here, that was 8,000 square feet minimum to build a house. I guess it was like $90,000 just to buy the lot. From what I heard. And then they call me up. Get your digger machine out, man. JohnDeere 19